Can you look at 606,066 and instantly tell what every 6 is worth? By the end of this lesson, you will. Let's master reading and writing numbers through 1 million. Big numbers are easier when we chunk them into periods. A place value chart has 3 periods: the millions period, the thousands period, and the ones period. Commas separate those periods so our eyes can group digits quickly. Inside those periods are 9 place value homes. From the left, 100 millions, 10 millions, millions, then 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, then hundreds, tens, and ones. In 4th grade, we focus especially on numbers through 1 million. Let's drop Boston's population into the chart, 625,087. Watch each digit land in its column, 6, 2, 5, 0, 8, 7. That's 625,087. Now read each digit's value. The 6 is 600,000. The 2 is 20,000. The 5 is 5,000. The 0 means 0 hundreds. That place isn't empty of meaning. It holds the spot. The 8 is 80. And the 7 is 7. Notice the comma after the 5. That comma separates the thousands period from the ones period. Reading left to right, say the thousands period, say thousand, then say the ones period. Standard form means writing the number with digits. When you hear a number in words, translate each period into digits and keep the commas between periods. 35,417 people attended a county fair. 35,000 becomes 35 in the thousands period. 417 fills the ones period. In standard form, we write 35,417 as digits, 35, 417. Zeros matter as placeholders. 47,027 is not 47,207. We need a 0 in the hundreds place, so the 2 stays in the tens place. In digits, that's 47,027. Word form is the opposite skill. Start from the left, read one period at a time, and say the period name after each group except the ones. 92,318? Read the thousands period first. 92,000. Then the ones. 318. Put a hyphen in 92 and in compound numbers like 28. 428,737. 428 is the thousands period, then say thousand, then 737. Smaller numbers still use the same idea. 8,216. Only thousands and ones periods show digits here. Expanded form stretches a number into the sum of each digit's value. We use 2 methods. Both mean the same thing. Method 1 for 625,087. 600,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 80 plus 7. Skip places that are 0, like the hundreds place here. Method 2 uses multiplication. 6 times 100,000 plus 2 times 10,000 plus 5 times 1,000 plus 8 times 10 plus 7 times 1. Each digit multiplies its place value. Try a few more. 612,300 expands to 600,000 plus 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300. 500,000 is just 5 times 100,000. 800,008 keeps both 8s. 800,000 plus 8. 90,027 is 90,000 plus 20 plus 7. 0 does not mean a place disappears. 0 is a placeholder that keeps every other digit in the correct home. Without zeros, 800,008 would look like 88 totally different. Compare 47,027 and 47,207. Same digits, different homes. In the first number, the 2 is worth 20. In the second, that 2 is worth 200. Moving a digit one place multiplies or divides its value by 10. Challenge time. The teacher says, write 47,027. Jasmine writes 47,027. Dennis writes 47,207. Who is correct? Think it through. Jasmine is correct. 47,027 needs the 2 in the tens place, so we write a 0 in the hundreds. 47,027. Dennis put the 2 in the hundreds place by mistake, making 200 instead of 20. Place value helps with word problems too. Jackson has 5 boxes of 3 golf balls. Rosa gives him 2 more boxes of 3 golf balls. How many golf balls does Jackson have now? 5 boxes times 3 is 15. 2 more boxes times 3 is 6. 15 plus 6 equals 21. Or group first. 5 plus 2 is 7 boxes. Times 3 balls each equals 21. Jackson now has 21 golf balls. A food bank wants 24,000 cans. It collects 100 fewer. Look at the place value chart. Subtract 100 from the hundreds place. 24,000 has 0 hundreds and 0 tens. So we regroup from the thousands. 24,000 minus 100 equals 23,900 cans. Build a number from place values. 100,000 plus 10,000 plus question mark plus 1 equals 110,101. What belongs in the blank? Pause and find the missing piece. Break apart 110,101. 100,000 plus 10,000 plus 100 plus 1. The missing value is 100, and that's the hundreds digit. Select every expression that builds 606,066. We need 6 times 100,000, 6 times 1,000, 6 times 10, and 6 times 1. We do not need 6 times 10,000. That place is 0, so that expression is out. Quick check, 3 short questions. I'll pause so you can answer first. Write 71,009 in standard form. Go ahead. $71,009. Put a 0 in the hundreds and tens so the 9 stays in ones. 71,009. What is the value of the 4 in 428,737? Think about the place. The 4 is in the hundred thousands place, so its value is 400,000. True or false? In 90,027, the 2 is in the hundreds place. Decide true or false. False. In 90,027, the 2 is in the tens place. The hundreds digit is 0. Quick review. Standard form uses digits. Word form reads period by period. Expanded form shows each digit's value 2 ways. Zeros hold empty places, and place value helps us catch mistakes and solve problems. Final quiz, my 5 questions. Pause, answer, then check with me. Question 1. Write 63,405 in standard form. Write it down. $63,405. The tens place is 0, so we write 63,405. Question 2. What is the value of the 7 in 472,816? Name the place value. The 7 is in the 10,000s place, so its value is 70,000. Question 3. Write 308,042 in expanded form using addition. Stretch those place values. 300,000 plus 8,000 plus 40 plus 2. We skip the empty 10,000s and hundreds places. Question 4. Which number has 2 in the tens place? 47,027 or 47,207? Pick one. $47,027. That 2 sits in the tens place and is worth 20. Question 5. 52,000 minus 100 equals what? Regroup carefully. 51,900. Just like the food bank problem, subtracting 100 from around 1,000 needs regrouping. You did it. You can read, write, expand, and defend numbers through 1 million. Keep practicing. Every digit has a home, and now you know how to find it. See you next lesson.